In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about TEXTSPLIT in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to show you guys two different ways to do this. The first one is the normal procedure and the second is the formula, which I already covered that in a short, but I'm going to show you guys again in this video. So to do this is very, very simple. You can see we have TEXTSPLIT here, right? We are going to split this column. You can see we have IDs and then the name of the customers as well. So we are going to split both of them. So what we are going to do is we select the column here. We move to these tabs here and we move to data tab. At the data tab, you're going to see text to columns. Tap on that. Good. And the first one is fixed width, which is very, very much complicated. If your text, then we cannot use fixed width here. Let me tap on next for you guys to see. We are going to drag this here. You get it. You are going to drag it in a way to make it become equal to before you kind of create the text to column, which is very, very bad. So now let me tap on next and you can see the split here. It's not working very much properly. Let's come back. The best option we are going to use is delimited or the delimiter. So tap on that there. Good. And now we move to next. And then you can see there is a common delimiter in this column and the delimiter is this dash here. I don't know the name of the dash. So good. When you come here, probably you have something selected here. So you just choose order here because there is no delimiter. If it's a comma, if it's a space, you choose a space. If it's twice, you enter the space twice or something like that. A comma one, if it's a semicolon, two, you do it the same way. So now I enter my dash here. Good. And now I tap on next. And you can see this is my destination where I want the TEXTSPLIT to take effect. So just like you do on Excel, just tap on this arrow here. And now specify the place you want your TEXTSPLIT to take effect. So I'm going to select this range. Since it's two different columns, I select two different columns and I tap on this back here. It takes me back. Good. And now you can see this how my split is going to look like. The column here, which is the ID and then the names of these customers. Good. So I tap to finish and you can see it here. You can see the customer ID here and their names are here too as well. So now let me drag a wall for you guys to see. You can add it. You can copy and then paste it here. And you're good to go. You have two different columns and that's up to you. So now let me show you guys the formula to do this too as well. It's very, very simple. I'm trying to come back. Good. Good. And now let me show you guys the formula to do this. So the formula is very, very simple too as well. So now double tap here. Equal to TEXTSPLIT. Good. Select it. And now the first is the text. We are going to use the first always just like we do in Excel. Comma. And the next part of the formula is column delimiter. The delimiter is the common thing that separates these two things you're trying to create in different columns. So it can be semicolon, a space, or this dash here. So now, just like I said, always in your Excel, when you're trying to enter a symbol, you enter with double quotes. Another double quote again. We can close it. I think we are done. So we close the bracket. And we are good to go. You can see we have the ID here and we have the restaurant name here. You drag it to the bottom and you're good to go. You create different columns too as well and then you rename the column. So that's it about TEXTSPLIT. You have any question, let me know in the comment section. I think I've covered everything you need to know. And that's it for the video.